Thank you for joining me again. We're going to be reviewing our ASKO 60 Series Dishwasher service menu. To begin, I'm going to power on my dishwasher. See ASKO inspired by Scandinavia, add rinse aid, and then it will come to your normal screen. To enter into your service menu, you use your left and right arrows. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. There are no chimes or lights to let you know that you've made it into your service menu, but you will always find failure readout to begin. If I enter into failure readout with my options button, you'll be able to navigate through up to 3 saved error codes. Currently, this machine is showcasing an F12. As this is a display model, it doesn't have water. If we press our arrow, we'll find exit, as there are no other saved error codes. We'll press our right arrow to find the next options is diagnostics. Diagnostics corresponds with component testing. If we enter into this menu with our options button, we'll be able to test several components like the inlet valve, drain pump, or even the auto door open. If I press my arrow again, we will find my water inlet type. From the factory, this is default as pulse. We can enter into this and we could change that from pulse to time, or even add additional pulses to the water inlet. If I press again, we will find my fan sequence. From the factory, this is set as a default of 1, which corresponds with the fan only turning on during the drying cycle. If we were to enter into this menu, we would be able to change when the fan kicks on during each program. I would recommend leaving this as a factory default 1, as this is the best options for the unit. If we press next, we will find data. This corresponds with all of the data for our dishwasher: the total run program time, the total programs run, as well as other data. Next again, we will find our software revision, which corresponds with the software for our user interface up top, our control board in the bottom. That all corresponds with the article number, which can be found on the tag on the inside right wall. Next, we have our pressure calibration, where you will find you can calibrate your pressure sensor as well as set the variance, which corresponds to the article number again on the inside right wall. Next again is our service setup, where we can set up the initial start for your unit, which would also include the variance that needs to be set, again corresponding with the article number. Next, we have our total reset options. We have 3 total options for total reset. We have total reset 1, which is a soft reset for the unit. It will just power off and then power back on. Second, total reset 2 corresponds with the recalibration of the sensors in your unit. The sensors would include your pressure sensor as well as flow meter. The last option for total reset 3, would correspond to reset to factory default. If we do total reset 3, it will be like brand new out of the box from the factory. If we press next again, we will find exit, where we can exit out of the service menu.